Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to build 3 different styles of beds that are scaled for minifigures for today's LEGO Brick tutorial. Let's start with a simple bed with a 6x6 plate. Let's flip this over. We're going to place 4 2x4 bricks around the edges starting on the top. Now let's take 4 studs. I'm going to place 2 of these right back here and the other 2 in these 2 areas right here. Now what I want to do is leave this hanging over by a stud all the way around. Now we're going to flip this over. Let's note the orientation of the legs, and we're going to place 2 flat tiles in the back, and that's pretty much about it for a very simple bed. That's how we all start out. Now for the next bed, let's take 2 2x6 plates, place them next to each other, and I'm going to lock them together with a third 2x6 plate right in the center of the previous. And yes, that's a bit crunchy. Now let's flip this over. We're going to place 2 2x4 plates on the ends. Flip it over again. Take 12 1x1 by 1 1/3 brick with bow. We're going to start here. We're going to work our way down on both sides. Now let's set down a pair of 1x2 jumper plates for the top. These are going to be used to anchor down our pillows. Now for the field of the comforter, I'm just going to place down several 1x1 flat tiles. Now you can use any color you wish. I'm going to go with a classic warm checkerboard pattern. Now let's flip the bed over. I want to take 4 studs. I'm going to place these 2 in the back right next to the white bricks with bow, and I want to set the other ones, set of studs from the inside. Let's flip it back over, and we're going to attach 2 slopes for pillows. Now that takes care of this bed, but I want to round these corners up here. So let's take another look at another build. Let's slide these 2x4 plates next to one another. I'm going to take a third plate and I want to place it right in the center, and I want to offset it to where it's hanging over by one stud on this end and we have a reveal on this side. Now I want to flip this over and place a 1x4 plate right here, and I'm going to lock all this together with 2 more 2x4 plates. This is going to add a little extra strength to the bed. Now I'm going to take several of these 1x1 by 1 1/3 corners. I'm going to place 4 on this side, 4 on this side, and 2 down here at the bottom. Now let's finish it up with a pair of 2x2 by 1 1/3 double brick with bow. This does add a nice contour, and yes, I've been waiting for these parts to come out for quite some time. Now I'm going to take a pair of 1x2 jumper plates, place these on the top to anchor down our pillows, and we're going to fill in the remaining 16 studs with some tiles. Now let's flip the bed over in this area. A pair of studs, and on this side of the 2x4 plate for another set of studs. Now let's attach some 1x2 slopes for pillows. That takes care of the advanced build bed. So here's the evolution of the LEGO bed. I got Jay the Surfer. As you can see, he can fit pretty much on any one of these beds. Of course, he likes this one, not only because it's blue, because it's modern and it looks a lot better too. So you can use these beds for any of your LEGO builds. So I hope this tutorial helped everyone out.